Alright, here we are in the Vidently desktop software, available for both PC and Mac. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and laid out Vidently is. Okay, let's start with the first of two mini demos. Alright, so in this mini demo, we'll create a full motion video. We'll start by adding a scene template. Then we will use the bottom slider to move to a part we want to customize. Here you will notice 3 text placeholders. Let's edit each by clicking on the text hotspot and entering a new text. Here, here, and here. Good. Now let's click on the video hotspot and add a video, like this. Cool. Now let's add a second scene template. Click on the newly added scene, then move to the part we want to customize. Add a background image. Add a video. Then reposition the video. Looks good. Okay, let's add a nice transition between the current 2 scenes. Then add a third scene template, like that. Now click on the new scene, drag the slider bar again to where we want to edit, then add a video right here. And final step, add a transition between the second and third scene. Good. And now that we're done, let's take a look at what we've just created. Wow, it came out perfect. This demo shows you how easy it is to make powerful, mind-blowing full-motion videos with Vidently. Okay, let's jump into the second mini demo. Okay, the final mini demo is for a promo video. Let's start by adding an animation scene. Then another one. And then one more. You'll notice that it built a timeline. If you check the Show Scene preview here, and then if you click on each scene like this, you'll see a preview appear on each one accordingly. Now let's edit each scene, simply by clicking on the scene and dragging the bottom slider bar to the point we want to edit. You'll see hotspots for text, images, and videos appearing on the stage. To edit these, just click on their corresponding hotspots. Let's click on the text hotspot. As you can see here, we can change the words, text font, style, size, and color. Cool, right? Let's just change the text for now and click OK. Now let's add an image like this. Click on the image hotspot and select an image. Perfect. You can also adjust the image size here, like this. On the left side here, you can see multiple layers corresponding to each text, image, and video on the stage. You can hide or show each of those here, or remove them from the stage. Okay, let's jump further. Click on the second scene and add a background video this time. Let's see. This one's perfect. Let's check how it looks. Good. Now to the last one. We'll just add a new logo here. Okay, great. Now for the final part, let's add some cool transitions between the scenes. Here, here, and preview time. Boom. That's it. Right in front of you, you can see how easy it is to make a powerful, highly engaging promo video. Just like you saw me build it in front of your eyes in a bit over a minute, anyone can do it, simply by selecting and filling in the blanks. Simple, easy to use, and no tech skills required.